Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes move system reserved partition to another disk in MBR or BIOS. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Move system reserved partition from disk 0 to disk 1. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type BCD boot space, C:\\, Windows space, /S space, C:\. Now new boot files are created under C drive. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list partition. Select your system reserved partition. Type inactive. Type select disk 1. Type list part. Select your C drive partition. Select partition 1. Type assign and type active. Exit and restart system. Press Del or F2 key, go to boot setup. Click enter setup. Click boot tab. Select hard drive, move second hard drive to first position. Enter key to select and up arrow key to move first position. Press F10 key to save and exit setup. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Delete system reserved partition and create new simple volume. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.